Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today we are going to be making Pokemon pizzas in celebration of Let's Go and Let's Go. I just found these are amazing. Anyway, we are making Pokemon pizzas. We are making one savory Poké Ball pizza, a sweet dessert Pikachu and a sweet dessert Eevee, and I'm so excited because we got our games yesterday. I still have exams, so I'm not allowed to play it, which is very sad because it's right there, but we're so excited, aren't we, Flavia? Yeah! Yeah, boy! Okay, before we get started, I just wanted to point out that both Heidi and I made this costume for one of my pole comps, and I kind of like it. And won best pole outfit for it, and I was really excited, and Flavia came to support me, and you'll see in this photo. So these are the ingredients you're gonna need. Okay, so to make Pikachu's adorable little face, he's so cute, we're going to be using custard for his face. We're going to color that yellow with some food coloring, then color some of our custard black for his little eyes and the tip of his ears. For his little red cheeks, we are going to be using colored red custard, or you can use glacé cherries, chopped up strawberries, or just colored red chocolate. We're not sure if we're going to give him just his little smile or a little happy face. We'll find out later. To make Eevee's adorable little face, you are going to want something chocolate based. So we are going to be using a Nutella custard, or you could just use Nutella, or you could use melted chocolate. It really is up to you. For his little eyes, again, we're probably going to use black colored custard, or again, you could just use dark chocolate. It's pretty straightforward. So for our Poké Ball pizza, you're going to need about 1/4 cup to 1/3 cup of pizza sauce or tomato paste. I've got about 200 grams of chorizo salami. You can also use pepperoni, anything red kind of meat, or you could even use red capsicum if you want it to be vegetarian. We've got some black chopped olives, shredded mozzarella cheese. It's a little bit yellow, but what we're going to use for the base of our Poké Ball is buffalo mozzarella, which is a lot whiter in color. That'll keep it the true Poké Ball colors. For the base of our sweet pizzas, we're going to cover it in white chocolate because yum. So you're going to need about 250 grams of white chocolate chips, about 1/2 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of canola oil or vegetable oil. Now for Pikachu and Eevee, I've made a big batch of custard. Now we have made these in one of our previous episodes, Flavia, if you will. And so what we're going to do is we're going to separate this one, color some of it yellow for Pikachu, add some Nutella to it for Eevee's fur, and then just keep some for extra, and then additional red, yellow, and black food coloring. Now, of course, you can use something other than tomato sauce, like barbecue sauce, white sauce, anything you want. We're all special, and we all love our pizzas a certain way, so there's no judgment. Okay, now I've sliced up my buffalo mozzarella. Now, of course, you can bake this first and then put this on afterwards. That's because mozzarella is quite nice when it's fresh. However, I like it cooked a little bit. It's quite nice when it's a bit warm instead. Okay, so we're going to put him in an oven at 180 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until all the cheese is nice and softened and it just looks majestic as F. Let's go, Poké Ball! So now we're going to make our dessert pizzas, and I'm so excited. I've got my little helpers here. So first we're going to get our canola oil or vegetable oil, put it in our white chocolate chips, and microwave it for about 30 seconds to a minute, just checking on it every 10 seconds until they're nice and soft and melted. Oh, chocolate. So our white chocolate is nice and melted. We are going to put it over our pizza bases, and then we're going to start decorating. What do you think? I think they're keen, and I think you should have this now. So we are going to start off with Pikachu. Yes, you. And what we're going to do first is take some of our beautiful homemade custard and we're going to color it yellow. Now I'm going to take about 1.5 cups worth of custard to color. Honestly, this really depends on how much custard you like. I think that looks quite Pikachu-y. Yes, thank you. So now we're going to pipe our beautiful yellow custard. Now, don't put as much force as a hydro cannon. You definitely want more of a water gun or a bubble. Trying to just get his shape more than anything. Okay, and then you can kind of fill it in and even mold it afterwards, which I love. Now I'm just taking a little knife because I want to make this nice and smooth. We have to make it look as adorable as humanly possible, as Pokemonly possible. With the ears, I'm definitely starting off smaller than I want. This is mainly just to see the shape and to make sure it kind of looks like Pikachu. Like winged eyeliner, ladies. You don't want them uneven. So we're going to take the rest of our vanilla custard that we dyed yellow, and we're going to add black food coloring to it for all of the facial features of Pikachu and Eevee, the little tips on the ears and all of that jazz. It's always better when you're doing designs like this to start out tiny, like, because you can always add, but you can not really take it off. Same with salt, with spices or anything when you're cooking, it's always better to add small amounts and build up to it. I've scraped the white chocolate bowl that we used to make our base of the pizza, and we're just going to put little dollops of white in Pikachu's eyes to make him come to life. Okay, now for Eevee's fur, I've taken about a cup of custard and I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of Nutella to get it light brown like Eevee. Now we're using the rest of our black custard to fill in little ears for Eevee, her eyes, little eyebrows, nose and mouth. Poké Ball, return! So this is how you make our little Pokemon pizzas, and they are so cute. I really actually don't even want to eat these ones. They're just adorable, but Flavia wants to. Like, I get that. But we're definitely gonna eat the Poké Ball because that is smelling gorgeous. That's it. Also, if anyone's wondering, yes, I still have Boo. Boo will be around for a while. But now there's no crutches if you didn't notice, so hey.
I'm so excited!
She's just been like looking at the custard like, feed me. Just like, ah. But yes, alrighty.
And we have Togepi here, and I am Misty.
She's my bae. And again, she came to support me when I was dancing and it was so much fun.
I was like, yes, girl. Reach for the cheese. Cheers! Oh boy.
How good is buffalo mozzarella? But one of the things is, it might taste like ordinary pizza, but deep down, you know you're eating a Poké Ball. And you're gaining the power to encapsulate the hearts of others.
Oh, this is so good.
I don't want to eat the sweet ones. They're so cute.
I know.
Can we just eat the savory one?
No, we have to try it.
Your lipstick's on the cheese.
I know.
We're not gonna cut it because
It's too cute.
it's too cute. Like I can't, whoever eats the face is a madman. But yes, all right, ready?
Alright, ready.
Okay. So this is the Nutella custard. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh boy.
Okay, I'm glad we tried that. Oh.
Oh wow.
Oh my god. Okay, let's try Pikachu. I'm totally for eating Pokemon now.
Oh, custard on pizza. I never would have thought of it.
Oh, you can do so many. Oh, we're gonna do many a dessert pizza.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dessert pizzas are so underrated.
Here we
Alright,
go.
Here we go. I like the vanilla.
Oh, it's so good. It was an alright one.
My heart melts like cheese on pizza.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. And if you want us to make any other food or recipes from anime, manga, TV shows, movies, games, let us know. Comment in the section below. Message us on social media. Talk to our faces. We're pretty friendly, so if you want to. But yeah, so see you next time. Bye.